experience I was brought to me today by Fox, I thought was yeah, it was very good. The 3D TV, amazing. The visual, the colours, the aspects of it, couldn't believe it. It was blew my mind a little bit, actually, to be honest. Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it done really well, and the chairs they helped a lot as well. The chairs, very good.
I'll be honest with you, I was sceptical with the whole Blu-ray 3D, 4D, but after seeing what I've just seen, I'm for it for the future now. Yeah, the next phase of entertainment, cinema entertainment, home entertainment. Yeah, I'm all for it.
When I hear 3D, I always think of the red and blue glasses sort of situation. But no, it was good. It was good.
I mean, it's Blu-ray 3D, high quality. You throw in D-Box, you don't want to leave. You don't want to leave. I want to go back in, to be honest with you. So I check out other clips.
The setup in there was pretty sweet actually. Had some pretty seats which would move and everything like that, and the sound was pretty loud, so you knew what was happening. And it wasn't, and again 3D was there, so really immersed in the whole situation. It was good, yeah.
We flew probably the best thing of all time.
It was the ultimate Blu-ray DVD experience.